It'll be a big difference to see, you know, running a standard with these, because before my truck and trailer would bounce a lot every time you shifted gears. It's taking out a lot of the bounce. It's taking out the chucking and the going up on a ramp like that right there. You can feel it jerking real hard, and it's taking out a lot of that. The sway that we were talking about earlier, it's taking out all the sway in the trailer. It feels amazing, actually. It feels great. But the trailer itself is pulling completely different. Turning, it doesn't give when you turn. Yeah, like that right there, where that road just dropped off. Before, I would still be bouncing, and it bounced a little bit, and then it was immediate stop. I mean, hell, I'm running 70 miles an hour right now, and it's total control. That trailer's not moving at all. Before, I ran about 60, 65 was max I would run. I'm running 70 miles an hour, and it doesn't even, you can't even tell. I can't get over how much control I have over it right now. You know, I was a little skeptical at first. I mean, not thinking that, you know, it would actually take the body roll out and you know, all the roughness. And my mind is blown right now how much better this trailer handles.